Fante Numerals. How do you say 1000 in Fante? 1000 is apem. So 1000 is apem kor. Let's look at the difference in saying 1000 in English and 1000 in Fante. In English, we say 1 followed by 1000. But in Fante, it's like saying 1001. Now, to understand better, let's have this example. This will be 1000. And in Fante, we will say apem kor. So apem is 1000, like I said. Apem kor. Apem kor. Remember, from 2 upwards, that becomes plural. So we can no longer say apem, we say mpim. So the A is taken away and replaced with an M, making it plural. So 2000 will be mpime bien, 3000 mpime basa, 4000 mpime anan, 5000 mpime num, 6000 mpime sia, 7000 mpime son, 8000 mpime awotwe. 9 is akron. How do you say 9000 in Fante? Put that in the comment section. I'll be waiting.